Sometimes you may be asked to find percentiles instead of probabilities. The good news is percentile and probabilities for us basically are the exact same thing. And we'll be doing this problem the same way we've taken a look, or we've done the other two problems. So let's go ahead and figure out what percentile weight Garfield falls in here. So we're given a mean value. Remember, that's your mu value. We're also given a standard deviation. That's your sigma. And so just like we've done before, we'll start by finding the z-score for this problem. So to do that, we'll take our data point, which is his actual weight, so the 15.2 pounds. We'll subtract the average, which we're told is 9, and we'll divide that by our standard deviation, which we're told is 2.5. And so doing that calculation, we end up with a z-score of about 2.48. Remember, always use 2 decimal places. So there's our z-score. Using that, we can now use our z-table to look up the probability that we are less than that value, which is really what a percentile is. All the percent of points that are below your location in the curve. So jumping to my z-table then, which I don't know how well this will show up on your screen, but I assume you have your z-table handy at home to look this up. We're going to go ahead and look up in the vertical column the first couple digits here. So we're going to look down until we find 2.4 down there, and then we'll look across horizontally for that last decimal, that last digit, which is the 0.08 over here. Finding where those two values intersect then, way down here, we find this value. And again, if you can't see that, hopefully you can look at your own paper at home. I'm seeing 90, or 0.99, I should say. 0.9934, which if I translate that into a percentage, that works out to be 99.34%. Typically percentiles, I suppose, are rounded off to an integer, so I'm just going to say that he's in the 99th percentile, which means 99% of felines are less than his weight, so he is definitely up there. I guess we could say he's a heavy cat. 99% of cats weigh less than he does.